Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today I will tell you about nephron and its structure. Nephron is called structural and functional unit of kidney. The function and structure of kidney depends upon the function and structure of nephron. These are very small structures which many together make a big structure, a kidney. In one kidney there are about 1 million nephrons. The structure of nephron is like this. Nephron's structure is this. A single nephron looks like this, and these are its different parts. This part of the nephron is non-tubular. This part of nephron is not tubular, consisting of tubes like this second part starting from here. This part is called, this first part of the nephron is called renal corpuscle, and the part of the nephron starting from here and ending to here, mean from here to here, it is called renal tubule. The non-tubular part, the first part of the nephron is called renal corpuscle, and the tubular part of the nephron is called renal tubule. Now we go into detail of the structure of the nephron. The first part, the renal corpuscle, consists of two parts. One, this complex structure, it is called Bowman's capsule. This very first part, this structure like a bow, like a cup, is called Bowman's capsule. You know what is bow? Bow is a tool like this which bowmen use to cast their arrows at their enemies. That is why Bowman's capsule. And this inside the capsule, it is not the food. Actually, it is a mesh of blood capillaries. Very much small blood capillaries, blood vessels, are present inside or around the Bowman capsule. All of these together are called glomerulus. Glomerulus is a network of capillaries surrounding the renal capsule or Bowman capsule. So in the first part of the nephron there are two structures, Bowman's capsule and glomerulus. Now we talk about the second part of the nephron. Second part of the nephron is tubular at two ends and non-tubular. The second part or the tubular part of the nephron is convoluted at two sides and non-convoluted in the center. Convoluted means twisted. This first part of the renal tubule is convoluted, and this last part of the renal tubule is also convoluted, means it is having a twist, it is having bends. Because this convoluted portion of the renal tubule is very much close to the Bowman capsule, that is why it is called proximal convoluted tubule. The word proximal is used in anatomy to refer to something which is closer to the center. Because the first part of the renal tubule is convoluted and it is very much close to Bowman capsule, the center, that is why it is called proximal convoluted tubule. And this last convoluted portion of the renal tubule is called Distal convoluted tubule. Distal means away from center. For example, eyes are proximal to our nose because they are near to nose, and our feet are distal to nose because they are far away from the nose. This portion is away from the Bowman capsule, that is why this portion of renal tubule is called distal convoluted tubule. Between these two, the proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule, there is a U-shaped portion. It is called collectively this U-shaped structure. The U-shaped portion of the renal tubule is called loop of Henle because a scientist named Henle described it. That is why it is called loop of Henle. This arm, the loop of Henle has two arms, this one and this two. This arm, which is attached to the proximal convoluted tubule, it is called descending, and this arm or this limb, which is going upwards to the distal convoluted tubule, it is called ascending limb. All the distal convoluted tubules or many nephrons, distal convoluted tubules empty themselves into a duct which is called collecting duct. The distal convoluted tubules of many nephrons join together to make one collecting duct, and many collecting ducts join together to make a papillary duct. These papillary ducts, like this is papillary duct. Many papillary ducts join together to make renal pelvis, the last portion of the kidney. And the renal pelvis, remember, it is not a part of nephron. So this was our topic today.